Hello, today we're going to talk about exercising our decluttering muscles. Yes, we are going to get strong and better at decluttering because we practice every day. Well, at least 4 times a week. And we're going to do it for 15 minutes. It's not a long exercise. I don't want you to start with the most difficult thing you have. If you were going to a gym, you wouldn't start by lifting the heaviest thing they have. You start with 1 pound weights, 2 pound weights, 3 pound weights, right? So we're going to start with something little. Start with something little. If you haven't done this at all, start with your silverware drawer. Start with something small and practice. Declutter that drawer, get a little confidence, go to the next thing. That's how you're going to do it. You're not going to start with the garage. It's too much. Start with something little. So today I want you to start exercising your decluttering muscles. Have a great day.